Hello from Computex 2018. I am Ari and we are at Riotoro's suite, not booth this time. We've got something to show you which is called, the original name is GPX 100, but they decided to call it Morpheus because Morpheus means changing face actually. So it comes in two shapes. Yes, you can transform it from a bigger case to a smaller case.
So this is the small form of the case.
Yes.
And this is
with the same
its large form.
Yes, with the same stuff you can build it as
you can adjust its dimensions.
Yes.
As I noticed.
So the PSU goes here and everything else inside as well.
The drive bays are here.
Yeah, cable management, And this is the other form of it. Working form, you can see how everything is placed.
You can place all-in-one cooling solution here or on the top.
Yeah, multiple choices. This one is a new system as well. The case is new.
This is a budget case.
A budget case. CR380, a mid-tower case to be.
A $40 case.
Yes, affordable.
Highly affordable.
Yes, and this system is new, the cooling system.
And we see some RGB lighting as well from Riotoro. They're going to release an RGB lighting kit. It's this
like
one.
In a gift box. Everything included.
This kit includes a controller,
it's three fans inside, and all the thumb screws, and the controller, like you said. We're missing two. I didn't drop them.
And we have a PSU from Riotoro. Do you want to show it?
Yeah.
Its OEM is high power.
Mm-hmm.
It's released in Europe first. That's a little bit weird.
Yeah, it's already in US market as well.
Now, but it was first released in Europe.
And to be honest, I think Riotoro comes from California, so this is kind of weird and true. The honeycomb exhaust grill, and you can see everything inside.
This is a basic PSU offering 80 PLUS Gold efficiency, fully modular cable design.
Mm-hmm.
Basic by the rule that it isn't expensive, it's affordable.
Do you have a pricing for this?
I think it's about $220.
$220.
And we'll see some other stuff which are already in the market.
Keyboards and the mouse pads as well. This is Riotoro all over. And there's another one here.
A larger one.
Larger. And I think this is what Riotoro actually points out. The case, the Morpheus case. This is a project actually that we were told that it started like 2 years ago to be the future case. So I think that's all about Riotoro. So thank you for watching. Please stay tuned with us.
With the controller.
Oops.
Now you can see everything.
Everything inside. I didn't expect it to open.